sense, you just make it beautiful, you know. So that is how it is supposed to be. So this is a simple diagram. I can say this is a 4 ohm DVD. So I just put 4 ohms. This one, I'll just say 6 ohms. This is like a shaving machine. And this one that is here, this is 12 watt, 12 ohms. So this is what you were supposed to do. So this is a simple circuit diagram to represent that connection. I guess you are following. You are with me. I haven't lost anyone. They are connected in what? They are connected in parallel. These ones are connected in what? In parallel. This is what we mean by parallel. The second question was saying, find now the total resistance in the circuit offered by all the 3 appliances. So they want us to find now, question A, we were just supposed to do it like this, where we have to draw the circuit diagram. Then when going to part B now, where you are told now to find the what? You are told to find the total resistance in the circuit. How can you find now the total resistance in the circuit? I told you to say that if resistors are more than 2, there is a particular formula that you need to use. We say 1 over what? Total resistance, which is equal to 1 over resistor 1 plus 1 over resistor 2 plus 1 over resistor 3. This is the formula we are going to use. I've ended up to 3 because I'm having 3 resistors. This is a general formula, and this formula can be used on any question as long as you are taught to find the what? The total resistance. With this being said, we just substitute now. This 1 over total resistance, this is the formula. Don't say, why didn't they just put this one on top? This is the formula. We want to find the total resistance. We say this is equal to 1 over resistor 1. We've got, I can put 4 there, plus I've got 1 over resistor 2, I can put 6, plus 1 over resistor 3, I can put what? I can put a 12. So I can put a 12 here. Then I'll say 1 over total resistance is equal to what? So what I'm going to do, I get my calculator. So you need to get your calculator. This is my calculator. I put it here. Then I say, I find now this, like the answer for that expression, these fractions that are here. I just find one answer. So 1 over, I told you the over is here. Maybe some of you have already forgotten because I noticed we are making mistakes. This is a over. Have you seen? A, B slash C. Every calculator needs to have that. So that is a over. This one, have you seen? It is here. This one that is here. This is a over. So what I'm going to do, I say 1 over what? 4 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12. What is the answer? The answer is 1 over 2. Have you seen? I'm getting what? 1 over 2. I've got people that get to use the other formulas that are complicated to the point that the formula you are using is also confusing yourself. So make sure if you use another formula, you are sure that this formula is accepted and this formula is legit. Not using formulas that are not legit. They are shortcuts, but those shortcuts have got conditions. They don't apply on every question. This one, don't forget what we want to find. We want to find the total resistance. Here, what do? You cross multiply. So 1 times 2, it is 2, which is equal to RT times 1. We find the RT, which is total resistance. Have you seen? So in this case, the total resistance is what? Is 2. So you are going to say, therefore, the total resistance is equal to what? 2 ohms. This is the total resistance. So that is what you need to do. That is the what? That is the